Okay, here's how you change the primary domain in GoDaddy. Load up the GoDaddy website, then click on your name in the top right corner and just go into My Products. So here from the products page, we want to scroll down until we see the section for web hosting. Left click on it to expand it, find your current web hosting plan and click on Manage. Now from this hosting panel that is going to load up here, we want to focus on the right hand side. We'll just give it some time to load here and you should be able to see the primary domain right here. So if we want to change this primary domain, we'll just click on change next to it. And first it's going to automatically detect any domains that we may have in our account. However, if the domain you want to use is not located in your GoDaddy account, we'll click on use a different domain. And here we can type out the domain which we want to use to change as primary. So once we have typed out the domain itself, we'll click on continue and then that's going to change the primary domain in GoDaddy. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub and I'll see you next time.